Hello and Happy New Year. This is the New York Marriott Marquis in Times Square. We're on the 38th floor and here's the room. So on our right here, we have the actual closet. Right now the door is open on the side where you can see the ironing board with also the bedding for the pull-out couch in the room. On this side is the safe and also the iron itself. Back is facing the door. Going to our left is where the bathroom is. So we have a vanity with one sink, a toilet, and also a walk-in shower with also a handheld shower nozzle. The shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are attached to the wall. Now let's head over into the room here. Now, I first ran into this wall because I didn't expect this wall to be here. And then when I was coming into the bathroom, I ran into this wall here because I forgot that these walls are here. So it's kind of odd, just keep that in mind. Now, going into the room here, on our right, kind of next to this door, is the thermostat. And then let's venture more into the room here. On the right hand side, there's the entertainment area. So there's a TV, and then these chest of drawers here. And then this is the interesting part. We have a mini fridge that has, and then we also have your coffee maker. And then coffees and teas in here. So. And then let's head down more forward. There's an actual desk right here, which is pretty nice. This chair is kind of uncomfortable, but it's a chair. Then we have the little sitting area. My luggage is on the ottoman. There's this couch. This couch is the pull-out couch, so it's nice having an extra bed if you do have some guests over. And then we have a big king-size bed. The nightstands are kind of small. They're kind of, that's why that wall exists there, because they want to fit the nightstands on the side of the bed. And then last but not least, here is the view of our Times Square view. It's kind of a partial Times Square view. Now you can hear everything that's going on down below at night. So if you're a light sleeper, then this is not the place to stay. If you are going to stay here, especially for New Year's Eve, I advise you to book it either with points or with a free night certificate from the Marriott Brilliant or the Ritz-Carlton card. It's a very expensive room. However, if you're going to be here for Times Square for New Year's Eve, this is a great hotel to be in the middle of all the action.